7 Effective Ways to Soak Your Home in Sunlight. Dear friends, despite having ample lighting options, sunlight is always preferred as the more natural and cheery way to brighten your home. Here are some tips to get optimum natural lighting at home. Large windows. The most obvious way to let sunlight in is to have large windows. Windows facing the east or west can catch the sun's rays easily, flooding your home with sunlight. However, this option is restricted to those who are building a home or planning a complete overhaul of their home interiors. Mirrors and reflective surfaces. Mirrors and reflective surfaces can make your home come alive by reflecting sunlight. If angled perfectly, the light can travel even to the darkest corners. Mirrors near the windows and furniture with glass or glossy finishes work magically to brighten your home. Light colors and pastels. Colors and light have a correlative bond, where light colors reflect more light, making the room bright and airy naturally. They also absorb the heat from the sunlight, keeping your home cool during the summer and warm during the winter. Sheer curtains. Where privacy is an issue, like in the bedroom, you can turn to sheer curtains, which allow light to peek into your room without giving anyone outside a view. Sheer curtains are light and can soften the overall appearance of your room. Light-hued ceilings. Higher ceilings offer a better chance of getting abundant natural light into the room. Opt for a lighter shade for your ceiling when compared to the walls. If you have white walls, then flat white works perfectly for casting sunlight into the room. Placement of furniture. Devise a layout for your furniture such that it doesn't obstruct light. Always arrange low-profile furniture near the windows. An open, clutter-free room is always fresh when compared to a heavily accessorized or strewn mess. Skylight. Extensively used in traditional Indian homes, skylights have a dual advantage. If you have an independent home, this can be a stylish way to let your home bask in natural light during the day and give you a view of the stars at night. Sunlight not only makes your home bright but also lets it stay fresh and hygienic. Expose your home to natural light to achieve an exuberant look. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.